Hello! Today I will show you how to manage Google account payment methods. To start, open Google. Choose your profile icon and pick Google account. Then, scroll right and choose Payments and Subscriptions. Then choose Manage Experience below Payments Info. Then you can change your personalization settings, things you keep or things you do, like personalization with Google Play, or payment methods, cards and accounts you keep in Google Pay. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.